In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to easily fix the service error on the Epson EcoTank M1120.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is the Epson EcoTank M1120 printer. As you can see, this is the exact model we are working on today. Now I turn on the printer. The two red lights start blinking, and the printer does not work. The printer can show two red blinking lights for different reasons. To be sure about the real problem, we need to check the error on the computer. Now, as you can see on the screen, the error message is related to service life. This means the ink box counter has reached its limit and needs to be reset. In the next steps, I will show you how to reset it easily. At this step, you need to download the reset file and extract it. The reset file link is available in the video description.
Now extract the zip file and open the folder.
Now open the Word file and copy the password.
Now open the adjustment program and paste the password to open the software. Follow the instructions and the arrows in this video. The remaining steps are simple and easy to do.
Important note: disable your antivirus. Before opening the file, ensure that your antivirus software is turned off. Antivirus may delete the file. If your antivirus is active, it may automatically detect the file as a virus and delete it.
At this step, check the main pad counter box and see how full the printer is. As you can see, our printer is at 100%. Now check the main pad counter box again and click Initialize. After that, turn the printer off and on once to complete the reset. Now our Epson EcoTank M1120 printer is fully reset and ready to print.